The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune your TV to channel 3 for more information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the White House at 3:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A biological terrorist weapon was launched at the U.S. The missile was launched from Malaysia and is heading towards the East Coast. The missile will be over Cuba at around 9:30 a.m. then go north towards Chicago. At this time it is unknown where the missile will hit. It maps out from Chicago to the East Coast. All citizens should take precautions in the event that the missile does hit the U.S. soil. U.S. officials are investigating possible outcomes of what could be a major disaster. This is not a drill. The threat should not be taken lightly. At this time all citizens should seal all cracks and windows with plastic bags and put a red flag on the outside of your door notifying officials that you know about the threat. Do not call 911. This message will repeat until new updates come on. Stay tuned to your local news station for more information.
The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune your TV to channel 3 for more information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the White House and the Department of Public Health. The missile is now over the Atlantic shores heading towards Cuba, where it is expected to go northeast towards Chicago, Illinois. At 6:20 a.m. U.S. officials and the DPH have concluded that the missile is carrying a Rage virus. This virus was made for a biological war and was created to neutralize national defenses. Malaysia reports that someone bypassed their security system and set the missile off. Malaysia says this is an accidental launch and is working with the U.S. to help decrease the threat. The virus has a defect. It has been cross-contaminated and is impossible to stop the missile or virus from spreading. At this time all citizens are urged to take shelter until further notice. Stay tuned for later updates.
The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune your TV to channel 3 for more information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the White House. At 3:30 a.m. today, a biological missile was launched at the U.S. from Malaysia. Destination was Chicago, Illinois. U.S. officials identify Eas-Rage virus in the missile at 6:30 a.m. Malaysia claims accidental launch and works with U.S. officials to decrease threat. At 9:30 a.m. U.S. officials realizes Malaysia lied about missile launch, and the president issues war against Malaysia. At this time the missile is heading towards Kansas City, Missouri, and all residents in America must take shelter underground. At this time officials do not know what this virus can or will do. All residents are asked to stay calm and not panic. U.S. officials believe threat can and will be neutralized. Stay tuned for later updates as more information comes in from the White House.
The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune your TV to channel 3 for more information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Department of Public Health and the Center for Disease Control. At 3:30 a.m. today, a Eas-Rage virus was shot at the U.S. At 3:30 p.m. the U.S. government declares an all-clear message stating threat has diminished. At 6:12 and 29 seconds p.m. today, a call from local hospitals in Iowa and Missouri stated that they had a massive outbreak of an unknown virus which is now believed to be from the missile earlier today. The virus is progressing quickly as local officials say that the symptoms have progressed from a nosebleed to H1N1 flu. The CDC states that the virus is rage, or rabies, in a human affecting the brain, causing the brain to die and is uncontrollable. The virus symptoms are continuous nosebleed or coughing, throwing up of blood, bulging red eyes, death, strange desire to attack other people around you. All citizens are requested to stay calm and not panic. Please stay inside if you have any of these symptoms. Quarantine areas are being set up and enforced. All residents in America are asked to remain calm and to stay inside. If possible, do not go to a hospital unless in an extreme emergency, as hospitals are over capacity to accept anyone. Trauma centers are set up at all fire stations in every state. Keep phone lines open for emergencies only. No one is allowed to be outside. Anyone found outside will be cited or arrested. Please stay tuned for more information.